What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. This is your first time to the channel. Consider subscribing if you are into car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. Anything to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we have a 2017 Hyundai Elantra, and I'm going to show you how to replace these door panels. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is take this part off. So I can actually take my little panel removal tool deal right here, and we can just start popping this thing off. Once we pop this off, it's only held in by some little clips. I think I can take the bottom one off like that, and you'll see what it is. Two at the top, one on the side. Next, you want to come in here, and there's a small little doorway. You want to take like a little pick tool, a flathead screwdriver if you got it, something that's not gonna mess up the plastic, and you want to open up that little door. After you open up that door, we have one Phillip head. You want to go in here and take that Phillip out. Boom, straight like that. Now all you want to do is pull on the panel. I got my gloves on because I got that coronavirus thing going on, but let's just try to get some pressure. Boom, easy peasy. Pulled up on that panel like that. Now that I pulled it out, pop those clips off. Boom, that's it. You want to come right here, and you see this little where is that this thing right here. You want to press it, bam, that pops that off. You have one harness right here for the tweeter, take that off. You have one harness down there for the windshield thing, take that off, and voila. Alright, y'all, so now that we got that door panel off, we can go in to start installing our speaker. Now this thing does take 6.5, and you would take these screws out, and you will mount your other speaker to your bracket, and you will use your harness. I'm going to link all that stuff in the description. This guy didn't buy those things, so I'm actually going to destroy the speaker. That's going to be kind of in detail, and I don't want to make this video too long, so now that we have the surround and the cone out, now you see these little braces right here. They're just made of hard plastic, and we're going to take our sawzall and we're going to cut right up here at the corner and go ahead and make these little cuts, and then we're going to yank that part out as well. God dog. But you see, we got that stuff cut out, and now all we have to do is take our 6.5 and mount it perfectly right there. So let's go ahead and do that next. Alright, y'all, so I have wired up my speaker, and I have tapped into my positive and negative with my wire right here, and that's pretty much it, man. If you guys find any value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out. Peace.